Hello friends, welcome to the next video of the tutorial series of the Excel tutorial from the basic to advanced for the fresher and for all the okay. Now today I am going to focus on how to use this format painter. In previous video we have covered this cut, paste and some formula. Now we are moving for the next command, which is format painter, and we will cover from this to this portion in this video. Okay, this tab. So let's get started. Just take any cell and enter any text, whatever you want. I'm going to type my name on the screen. Okay, like this. Okay, so I have wrote my name in the cell. Okay, now first of all I will show you how you can change your fonts. This is the Arial black. In this tab you can see or get all the different types of fonts. Okay, like Times New Roman. The Times New Roman is the professional and mostly used font. Okay, like this. Here are different types of stylish font also there. Okay, like this. Then now if I have to use this format painter. Okay, just enter the second name. Okay, I am going to enter the second name. Okay, Rohit. Now I have wrote this Rohit name, but I would like to make this Rohit name in the font of this as same as like Rahul Chaudhary. Okay, so click on Rahul Chaudhary, click on this format painter. Okay, and then select this Rohit. Okay, so then as you can use the format as a painter. Okay, this is the purpose of the format painter. You can do this if you have used data for that. Okay, if we see what is the format painter and the different types of fonts, then we will move the next. Just select this Rahul Chaudhary name, and from here you can adjust the font size like this. Okay, 16, 18 or 19, whatever it may be. This is the font size actually, and you can adjust the font size from here also. If you click on plus, it will be increasing your font size, and if you click on the minus, it will decrease your font size. Next, if you would like to make it bold, you can bold from here. If you like to make Italian, from here you can make it Italian. Then if underline also you can put. Here are the different options. Double underline also is there, and next double accounting. Okay, and we will move towards here. Okay, we will make it as only underline like this. Okay, now here you can see, and this is the draw the border. Okay, I find the border. I would like to make draw the border around this cell. Click on this cell and click on this border. Okay, draw the border. This is option for the manual drawing of the border. Okay, here you can see this is the pencil. If you click on this, automatically border is have created like this. Okay, in this way you can create manual bordering of the cell. Okay, now the second is draw the border grid, erase border, line color, line styles. Okay, for this I will make the separate video. And next, what the remaining in this. Okay, these 2 to 3 tabs. First of all I would like to draw a border grids. Okay, like this you can draw the border also, grids also. If I have selected this, okay, this is the border grid. You can observe and get into what is the actually that. Then erase border. If you click on the erase border, you just have to select like this. You can erase the border. Okay, like this. Then what is the next? Line color. From here you can select any line color and make the table. And whatever the color you wanted, you can change it from here also. Here are different types of line, thick line,